What's going on? Today I want to take a look into my humidor and take a look at the goodies that I have inside this thing. This humidor was gifted to me by my wife for Father's Day. Thank you, baby. What I have in here. All right, starting left to right. I have the Macanudo Sumatra. The Alec Bradley 30th anniversary. The New World, AJ Fernandez. I believe this is the Dorado. I have an Opus X Baby Shark. Adventure. I believe this is the Barbara Rosa. I believe it means red beard. This particular brand named their cigars after certain ships and pirates. So this is something new. Great presentation. And this is by DBL. This is a Maduro. It is a double Prasado, and I think it is called the Extra Viejo. Man, look at that. That's a great presentation as well. And this is the EP Carrillo. This is a Cameroon. This is the Endure. Check out that presentation. It's eye-catching. Hope it smoked as good as it looked. And this is the Cinco by CAO. This thing was really hard to get out of the metal container. But look at that. It's in a Toro. And this is the Drew Estates. Let's see here. The Undercrown Maduro, all duked out. Great presentation. And starting from left to right as well. This is the Rocky Patel Emerald. This is the Rocky Patel DBS. And I have the La Roma de Cuba, small batch. And the Rocky Patel Sapphire, the Rocky Patel Gold Label, and another EP Carrillo, the Allegiance. And what I have here is a Connecticut Shade by Drew Estates. Great presentation on that particular stick. And this is another Adventure. This is the Blue Eye Jack Revenge Limited. Great looking cigar. And Perdomo. This is the Perdomo Habano. This is sun grown. Look at that wrapper. Outstanding. What I have here down on the bottom. I have the CAO 250th anniversary celebration, And this is the San Cristobal, the Quintessence, and a Churchill. Great cigar. And I have some things in here my wife indulges in. The Tatiana Mocha and the Groovy Blue. And I believe I'm holding the Macanudo Irish Cream. and the Sweet Jane. And what I have here is the La Floral Dominicano. This cigar was gifted to me, and I've been waiting to smoke this one. I guess it'll be a celebratory cigar once I reach a certain milestone. And I have a Hemingway here by Arturo Fuente. See here, this is a Grand Reserva, and that's a great looking cigar. Can't wait to smoke that. And this is a Definition cigar. Look at that band. Look how it's glistening. This is outstanding. A very beautiful cigar. My wife don't like me to say beautiful cigar. Okay, and what I have here, I have the Flathead by CAO. And I believe a couple of weeks ago, I had the Speed Shop, which I believe that is a box-worthy cigar. It was very good. The rain messed that up. I didn't get a chance to enjoy that to the very end, but that experience, I will be buying that again, and maybe I'll buy like a half a box or something like that. And the Nub and the Jamie Garcia, the My Father, and what else I have? The Don Leno and another Rocky Patel. There on the left-hand side, the cigars that I just called out, that was part of Holt's Cigar Club. I think that they have great cigars, and some of the sticks that they have sent out has been very outstanding. And here, I believe I already talked about it, but La Roma de Cuba, small batch. This was also a cigar, part of the cigar club. I'm not here promoting that, but if they wanted me to promote that, they can send me something free for doing so. All right. But that's a look into my humidor. I hope that you guys enjoyed. And the question is, what's in your humidor? Please like and subscribe and comment.